How to recharge Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will simply show you how you can recharge Netflix, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, since Netflix has an auto payment feature, as long as your payment details are correct, you will be successfully recharging Netflix without you having to recharge them manually. So I will also show you. We're not going to log in from our Netflix application, but I'm instead going to use my browser. So open up your browser and then go to netflix.com and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you go to netflix.com and then sign in, tap on the three lines from the top left hand side of the screen and then go to the option called account. Once you tap on the account option, here you'll be able to see all the details. So you can see your next billing date is February 8, 2023, which means that Netflix actually has an auto renewal feature. You don't have to do it. As long as your payment details are correct and then you don't remove it, it is going to automatically recharge Netflix. If you're not being able to use Netflix, just try to verify your payment method. Go to the manage payment info button over here, tap on the edit button and make sure that your payment details are correct. If your payment details are correct, you'll be able to successfully recharge your Netflix account. That's basically how you can recharge Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.